Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete an ad account in Facebook. So this can be helpful if you no longer want to use a certain ad account or if you just want to stop using it for ads inside Facebook Ads Manager. So the steps are very simple. So let's go through them one by one. So first, start from your Facebook homepage, and once you are there, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and find Ads Manager. Click on it and Facebook will open Ads Manager in your browser. When Ads Manager loads, make sure the side menu is open, and from there go to the bottom left side of the screen and click the small gear icon. So this will take you to the settings area for your ad account. On this page, you can also manage the details of your ad account and look for the option that says deactivate ad account. Click on that option, then Facebook may ask you to choose a reason for deactivating it. Select the reason that fits your situation, then click deactivate ad account to confirm. And then after that, your ad account will be deactivated, and that's basically how you delete or deactivate an ad account in Facebook through Ads Manager. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.